So you're looking at a Fort Knox PB1 pistol box. It promises serious security for your firearms. I've been testing it for weeks, and I'll show you if it lives up to that legendary name, \N, but here's what surprised me. The biggest strength might actually be a hidden weakness. \N, therefore, this isn't just a simple safe. It's a commitment. And before you spend that kind of money, you need to know the one thing nobody tells you about the PB1. \N for the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description. \N, let's start with the promise. Fort Knox, that name means ultimate security. You're thinking heavy steel, complex locks, impenetrable defense. Right, and the PB1 pistol box looks exactly like that. It's a compact, single pistol safe built like a tank. But is it really the Fort Knox of pistol safes, or is that name just marketing? Therefore, we need to dig deeper. And I'll tell you right now, the answer is complicated. \N first, the specs. It's constructed from 10-gauge steel. That's thick. Most pistol safes use 14 or 16 gauge. This is a brute. The door is a 1/4-inch thick plate steel. It weighs about 15 pounds empty. It feels substantial. The finish is a textured black, industrial, and serious. It shouts, "I'm not a toy," but the lock, this is the core. It uses a simplex mechanical push-button lock. No batteries, no electronics, just a 5-button mechanical code. You set your own combination. Therefore, you get reliability. No key to lose, no electronics to fail. It's a big selling point. But is it the best? \N, let's talk about the simplex lock. It's a proven design, used in lots of commercial security. You have 5 buttons, you press your sequence, the lock opens, it's fast for you, but for a thief, it's a puzzle, and they have time limits. Most thefts are quick smash-and-grab jobs. They won't sit there trying combinations. However, there is a known vulnerability. It's called manipulation. A skilled person with time and tools can potentially feel the mechanism and deduce the combo. It's not easy, it's not common, but it exists. Therefore, for ultimate security, you might want more, like a biometric lock, but biometrics fail. Batteries die. The simplex is always ready, so which is better? It depends. \N, now the inside, it's simple. A padded floor to protect your firearm's finish. It's not huge. It's designed for 1 pistol, maybe 2 very compact ones, but don't expect to store a full-size revolver, spare magazines, and a box of ammo all together. It's a pistol box. Therefore, know your use case. Quick access for a bedside handgun? Perfect. Secure storage for your prized collector's item? Also good, but as your only gun safe? No, this is a supplement. A first layer? \N, how does it mount? This is critical. Any safe can be carried away if not secured. The PB1 has pre-drilled holes in the bottom and back. You can bolt it to a floor, a shelf, inside a closet, or to a wall. Use heavy-duty bolts. Make it part of the structure. But here's a joke for you. Trying to bolt this down feels like proposing to a slab of concrete. It's a serious relationship. You're committing. Therefore, think about where you'll put it permanently, because moving it later is a chore. \N, time for the real-world test. I tried opening it under stress. Simulated a dark room, adrenaline. The buttons are tactile. You need to know your combo well. Muscle memory. It's not glow in the dark. Practice. I also tried the smash test with a hammer, not a direct attack, but a simulation. The steel dented barely. The lock mechanism inside, unfazed. It's tough. But I have a concern. The hinges, they're external. They look robust. But they are a potential point of attack. If you can jam something in there, you might pry. It's not easy, but it's a theoretical weakness. Therefore, consider mounting it with the hinges against a wall or surface to protect them. \N, let's talk about the Fort Knox reputation. They are known for vaults, big bank-grade stuff. The PB1 carries that branding. Does it live up to it? In spirit, yes. It's overbuilt for its category. It uses heavier steel than competitors. The lock is professional grade, but in absolute terms, no small box is Fort Knox. A real vault weighs tons. This weighs pounds. Therefore, manage your expectations. It's one of the toughest asterisk pistol boxes you can buy, not the toughest safe asterisk. \N, now the price, it's premium. You pay for that 10-gauge steel and simplex lock. It's not cheap, but compared to a cheap electronic safe that fails in 2 years, it might be worth it. Therefore, think long-term. This is a buy-it-for-life product if you use it right, unless you forget your combo. And yes, that's a joke number 2. Forgetting your combo on this safe is like forgetting your own name at a job interview. Panic mode. But Fort Knox has a procedure. You need proof of purchase, serial number, and they can help. It's not quick. /N. What about alternatives? There are biometric boxes. Faster access maybe, but they can misread. There are keyed boxes. Simple, but keys get lost. There are cheaper mechanical boxes with thinner steel. The PB1 sits in a niche, mechanical reliability with maximum physical strength. But is that what you need? Therefore, ask yourself, is my primary threat a quick burglary or a determined, skilled attack? For most homes, quick burglary is the risk. The PB1 is excellent for that. /N. Here's a hidden factor, fire resistance. The PB1 is not fire-rated. It's steel. Steel conducts heat. In a fire, the inside gets hot fast. If you want fire protection, you need a different type of safe with insulation. But this isn't marketed for that. Therefore, don't buy it for fire protection. Buy it for theft protection and quick access. /N. Let's revisit the surprise I mentioned. The biggest strength is the simplex mechanical lock. No electronics, no batteries, always works. The hidden weakness, it's the same lock. If you forget the combo, or if someone manipulates it, that strength becomes a single point of failure. There's no backup key, no override. It's a sealed system. Therefore, your security is entirely in that combo and the steel. That's a pure, uncompromising approach. You must be comfortable with that. /N. How does it feel daily? Solid. The click when it closes is satisfying. The button press is firm. It feels professional. But it's not sleek or discreet. It's an industrial block. Therefore, if you want hidden decor, you'll need to conceal it. Another joke. This safe is so serious, if you put it on your coffee table, guests will think you're negotiating a hostage situation. It commands respect. /N. Child access. This is important. The simplex lock can be operated by a child who knows the combo. It's not biometric, which only reads your fingerprint. Therefore, if you use this for quick access in a home with kids, you must be ultra-disciplined. Never let them see the combo. Practice in secret. This safe doesn't have a child lock feature. It's a tool for responsible adults. /N. The verdict is coming. But first, a final test, portability. It's not portable, it's heavy. Once bolted, it stays. If you travel with your firearm, this isn't your solution. Therefore, it's a home base, a fixed point of security. That defines its role. /N. Now, the resolution. After all this, is the Fort Knox PB1 worth it? For the right person, absolutely. If you value mechanical reliability over electronic gadgets, if you want the thickest steel in a pistol box, and if you understand and accept the uncompromising nature of its lock system, it's a top-tier choice. But it's not for everyone. It's expensive. It's heavy. It's single-function. /N. Therefore, my final advice, know before you buy. Are you the buy the best, forget the rest type? This might be your pistol box. Are you looking for a versatile, fire-resistant, multi-gun safe with backup access? Look elsewhere. The PB1 is a specialist, and specialists excel at one thing. /N. Remember the curiosity loop I opened? The strength being a weakness? It's about trade-offs. Ultimate reliability in the lock means no backups. Ultimate steel strength means weight and cost. You trade flexibility for ruggedness. That's the Fort Knox PB1. /N. Before we end, joke 4. Buying this safe is like marrying a bodyguard. You get incredible protection, but conversations are a bit heavy and moving furniture together is impossible. It's a commitment. /N. So, if you've decided this is the right tool for your security setup, I can help you get it. For the best current price on Amazon, click the link in the description below. You'll go directly to the product. That's the second call to action. Thanks for watching this deep dive. You now know what nobody tells you. Make your choice with confidence.